Hi, my name is Yogita. Today I'm going to share my experience with Design Palette team, which was introduced to me by one of my friends who have got their home interior done by them. So I took their contact from them and fixed a meeting in their office. And I was very happy to meet the team, which consisted young, enthusiastic and energetic people. So we had our first meeting with them to decide how my store should look and what are my timelines and what are the things I would like to incorporate. They understood my need very well and they asked me to come and meet them once they are ready with their plan, and if we are satisfied with them with that plan, perfect, or else we can have one more meeting to evolve with design and scheme. So I met them again to understand what they have designed for me, and I'm very glad to tell that in that particular meeting only we were halfway through in terms of the colors, how the store is going to look and what are the colors we are going to put in the store, and only few 20% of things which were pending we decided in the next meeting, and there we were ready with the design, color, space, everything. I'm very happy that they could think through what I need and they suggested me the new trends and we combined our ideas, and in the third meeting we were ready with entire store design. And I would recommend them to whoever is looking for a great home or a store, and they are the perfect team. And thirdly, I would like to say that they had finished the project within the timeline. So I'm very happy and I wish them luck. Thank you.